In this example, we are going to look at present value calculations for 4 different scenarios using tables 1 and 2 in the appendix of the back of your book. The first one says that we need to find the present value of a single payment of $12,000 at 6% for 12 years. So since we only want a single payment, we're going to use table 1. So we're going to switch to table 1 and show how we find the factor that we need with the 6% and the 12 years. So you'll notice we have 6% and then our periods 12 years. So one time each year, so we have 12 periods times our 6% is 0.497. We then take that factor of 0.497 and take it times our $12,000, which is the single payment amount we want to have in 12 years. So what this means is that if we invest $5,964 today, assuming that for the next 12 years we can invest that money and earn 6%, then we will have $12,000 at the end of 12 years. The next one says we have 12 annual payments of $4,000 at 6%. So this means that every year we want to be able, every year for the next year, 12 years, we want to be able to pay $4,000. So how much do I have to invest today at 6% in order to withdraw $4,000 every year for the next 12 years? So I will need to use table 2 in this example. So we're going to switch to table 2 at 6% and 12 periods. Okay, so here's our 6% and our 12 periods, and my factor is 8.384. So if I take the 8.384 times the $4,000 the amount I want to withdraw every year for the next 12 years, if I invest $333,536 today at 6%, I can take $4,000 out every year. The next one says a single payment. So single payment again means a one-time payment. So we're looking at table 1. And $6,000 at 9% for 5 years. So I want to be able to withdraw 6% at I want to be able to withdraw $6,000 at the end of 5 years. So using table 1, I would line up and find my 5 years on the left, my 9% on the top, and I get a factor of 0.650. So if I invest $3,900 today at 9%, at the end of 5 years, I will have the $6,000. So then I have the last one, 5 annual payments of $2,000 at 9%. So we're going to be using table 2 in this one because annual payments means I want to withdraw every year for the next 5 years $2,000. So I go to table 2, I find my 5 years on the left, and a 9% across the top, and I match them up, and I get a factor of 3.890. So if I invest $7,780 today, and earn 9% on it, for the next 5 years, I can take $2,000 out each year.